Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome back to today's video. Are you over 50 and tired of washing your hair thin out or disappear completely? What if I told you that you could drink your way to a fuller, thicker, healthier hair naturally? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 powerful natural drinks that can help you regrow your hair even after 50. So let's get right into the video. Number 1. Aloe vera juice plus lemon. First, get your aloe vera juice mixed with lemon because aloe vera is rich in enzyme and vitamin A, C and E. All of these repair dead skin cell and open up clogs hair follicles. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C and detox power. Drink 1 cup in the morning and watch your slope come back to life. 2. Fenugreek water is an ancient hair tonic. All you need is get your fenugreek seed, soak it overnight. In the morning, drink the water on an empty stomach. Fenugreek is packed with protein and nucleic acid, both proven to strengthen hair roots and reduce hair fall. This is a hair secret your grandmother probably knew and it still works till date. Yes. Number 3. Carrot and beetroot juice. Get your carrot and beetroot, blend them together for a nutrient-rich hair booster because it is high in beta-carotene and iron. This juice increases blood circulation to your scalp and feed your hair follicles with the nutrients they are craving for. Bonuses, it is also give your skin a healthy glow. Yes, that is it. Number 4. Onions water with honey. The hair wake up call. Yes, it smells strong, but it works. Boil chopped onions in water, stir it and mix a spoon of honey. This combination increases blood flow to the scalp and provide sulfur to boost collagen production, which is the key for hair growth. Drink it twice a week. Your hair will thank you later. So that is it on this one. Number 5. Green tea plus moringa powder. That is the follicle fuels. Yes. Last but not the least, green tea mixed with a tablespoon of moringa powder. Green tea fights the hormone DHT, which causes hair loss, while moringa is loaded with amino acid and zinc to repair and rebuild hair. It is a perfect blend of ancient wisdom and modern science. So that is it on that. Have you tried this? Try it and let me know in the comment section. Remember, healthy hair starts from within. These drinks are not just for your hair alone. They heals your whole body too. Try any of this for 30 days and you might just see the baby hair coming up again. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this with someone who needs their hair back. Stay natural and stay beautiful. I love you and I will never take your love for granted. Thanks for your continual support and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.